Today on the Tacomaholic channel, we will be working on the truck, but we will not be getting dirty. It's almost disappointing to say that, and the culprit? The Fumoto drain valve. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you are having a fantastic day. So in this video, I will be doing the first oil change since I did install my Fumoto drain valve. And if you have never changed your oil before and you're curious on the entire process and the install of the Fumoto valve, definitely encourage you to check out the video linked above right now. So I will show you just how easy it is to change your oil after you install the Fumoto drain valve and how clean it is, didn't spill a drop, including using the Fumoto drain valve with a front IFS skid plate that does have a little hole cut out for it, and to show you it's not difficult at all to get in there and access all that stuff. And the second point of this video, I did receive a kit in the mail from Blackstone Laboratories. Laboratories. However you want to say it. You can get the kit for free. I will link below where you can get your kit, and all you do, you collect your own oil sample and then send it off to them, and for a small fee of just 28 bucks, they analyze it, break it down for you, and then send the information back to you. I assume it's all done online, like through a PDF or whatever. So you can pretty much get a bill of health for your engine and see what's going on with that. And today's video interruption is brought to you by my neighbor's generator, making YouTubers' life a living hell since 1922. Shut up! So I will send out the sample today and do a follow-up vid when I get the results back in for that, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get to that oil change. And as you can tell, super clean, changing oil with the Fumoto drain valve, super easy also to do it with a skid plate on, so that's definitely nice. I was a little nervous about how difficult that part was going to be, but even though I couldn't really get the camera in there to film to show you exactly what I was doing, trust me when I say it's not bad at all. So if you guys are the do-it-yourselfer types and interested in saving money, changing the oil on your Tacoma yourself, definitely encourage you to go by and grab a Fumoto drain valve, link down in the description below. And as far as the actual kit you get from Blackstone Laboratories, it's pretty straightforward, super easy to use. You do get the return box to ship this back in. This is free shipping, so you don't have to pay for that, you just have to pay for the lab results. You get the little canister that you will put your oil sample in. Of course, make sure this is super tight. And again, when you put it in here, you get a small Ziploc bag to put your oil sample in, just in case that leaks during shipment. And then a protective little felt wrap to put around that, again, just for protection. They even give you one of those oil change reminders when your next oil change is due that you can stick on your windshield. And then just a basic sheet to fill out saying what type of oil you use, what kind of vehicle, you know, name, contact info, all that. And another card just giving you more tips. And there's more of this information online, of course, I will link to below in case you guys want to check that out. Again, it is completely free to get this kit sent to you. You just have to pay the 28 bucks if you want your oil tested and to get the results. And I will be shipping my oil sample off today, so I should have an update for you guys in about a week or so online with the Blackstone Laboratories. It says it usually just takes a few days to process and have the results ready for your sample once they receive it. Stay tuned for that update, hopefully in about a week or so. Thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. If you would like to support the channel even more, I would encourage you to check out the Tacomaholic shop website, link right down below. Grab yourself a patch, grab yourself a decal. I am working on a few more designs to get uploaded into that storefront. And you can also check out the newly launched Tacomaholic Patreon page if you would like to support me directly that way. I am working on getting like a tier system set up, rewards, stuff like that for you guys once you start contributing. As always, thank you so much for swinging by the channel. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing if you love everything related to Tacomas. Give the video a like if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't.
Don't do that.
And help me grow the channel by sharing this video with your friends and family on social media. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.